Hi friends, welcome back. If your heart races, your chest feels tight, or your thoughts won't slow down, this is for you. Welcome back to the channel. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what anxiety is, how to calm it quickly, and how to build a simple daily plan that keeps stress lower over time. Stay to the end for a 90-second guided reset you can replay anytime. Keywords to listen for today: anxiety relief, calm down fast, stop overthinking, stress relief, better sleep. What you'll learn. Here's our roadmap. A quick calmer you can use right now, a simple explanation of anxiety, 2 more fast techniques you can do anywhere, thought tools that quiet the spiral, body-based strategies that settle your system, a realistic daily plan, and a short guided reset. This video is educational and not a diagnosis. If anxiety is severe or linked to thoughts of self-harm, please seek help immediately. Quick calm now. Physiological sigh. Let's downshift the nervous system. Inhale through your nose. Take a tiny top-up sniff. Exhale long and slow through your mouth until your lungs feel empty. Keep the exhale longer than the inhale. Do 3 to 5 gentle rounds. This releases trapped air, eases chest tightness, and tells the body you're safe. Anxiety explained. Simply, anxiety is your body's alarm system. It's helpful when there's danger. It's unhelpful when the alarm stays on. Common signals include a fast heartbeat, tight shoulders, shallow breathing, upset stomach, sweaty hands, shaky legs, racing thoughts, and poor sleep. The goal is not zero anxiety. The goal is turning the alarm down when you are safe, so you can think clearly and act confidently. Fast technique, box breathing. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 4, hold for 4. Repeat 4 gentle rounds. Use this before a meeting, after a stressful message, or as you settle into bed. The steady rhythm nudges the body from fight or flight toward rest and digest. Fast technique, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grounding. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. Move at a calm pace. This simple scan pulls attention away from scary what-ifs and anchors you in the present moment, where action is possible. Thought skills that quiet the spiral. Name it to tame it. I feel anxious. My body is in protection mode. Labeling reduces intensity. Swap what if for even if. Even if this is hard, I can handle 1 step. Create a worry window, 10 to 15 minutes each day to look at concerns and make tiny plans, so rumination isn't running all day. Try a 2-column check. On the left, the anxious thought. On the right, a balanced reply with evidence. Small, repeatable thought shifts beat one-time pep talks. Body-based calm. Vagus nerve helpers. Your rest and digest system loves rhythm, warmth, and gentle pressure. Walk for 10 to 20 minutes. Rhythmic steps burn stress chemistry and lift mood. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. Tense a muscle group for 5 seconds, release for 10, and move from feet to face. Hum or say a soft The vibration can slow the heart rate. Splash cool water on the cheeks for 10 to 20 seconds, or use a cool pack briefly. Place a hand over your heart and breathe slowly. Warmth and pressure signal safety. Daily baseline plan, simple and sustainable. Sleep 7 to 9 hours with regular bed and wake times. Consistency matters more than perfection. Audit caffeine. If you're jittery, keep it to mornings and avoid after lunch. Build steady meals with protein and fiber, eggs and fruit, yogurt and oats, beans and veggies, because blood sugar swings can feel like anxiety. Move daily, even for 10 minutes. Get daylight and fresh air for 5 to 10 minutes to support your body clock. Set gentle boundaries with news and social media. Avoid doom scrolling at night. Aim for 2 honest check-ins with people you trust. Connection lowers stress chemistry. Tidy 1 small area, desk, nightstand, bag, so there are fewer mental tabs open. Use alcohol and nicotine cautiously. Both can disrupt sleep and raise next-day anxiety. 7-day micro plan, pick 1 quick calmer. Physiological sigh, box breathing, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding. And 1 daily habit. Sleep schedule, caffeine cutoff, or a 10-minute walk. Tie them to cues you already have. Sigh after you sit in the car, box breathe before opening email, grounding at lights out. Track these 2 choices for 7 days. Tiny wins repeated, retrain the stress system. Guided reset, 90 seconds. Sit tall. Drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. Take one physiological sigh. Inhale. Tiny top up. Long, slow exhale. Do 2 gentle rounds of box breathing. In 4, hold 4, out 4, hold 4. Move through 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding. 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. Place a hand over your heart and say silently, "Right now, I am safe." One step at a time. Take one last slow inhale and an easy, extended exhale. Let your face relax. When extra help is the next right step. Consider professional support. If panic attacks, persistent insomnia, or avoidance are controlling your life. If anxiety rides alongside depression, trauma, or substance use. Or if you have thoughts of self-harm, seek urgent help right away. Effective care can include cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure-based therapies, mindfulness-based approaches, and when appropriate, medication. Reaching out is a sign of wisdom and strength. What to do next? Choose one quick calmer and one daily habit for this week. Put them on your calendar or a sticky note. Tell a friend for accountability. Progress beats perfection. Your nervous system learns from what you repeat, not what you intend. Call to action. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for weekly health tips that are simple and practical. Share your top anxiety trigger in the comments and the technique you'll try first.